What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another freaking video. Pokemon card opening, that's what we're going to get into today. I have the Jirachi GX collection that they had on sale at Walmart for their Black Friday sale. Happy Thanksgiving. This video should be coming out on Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to the family and to everybody watching. Hopefully everyone's having a decent year, you know, with this COVID going on. This is, hopefully you're having a good time, as best as you can during these situations. So let's get into it. So this thing was on sale. This huge box was on sale for $20. And it comes with some Jirachi card and a bunch of freaking packs that I'll get into. Let's go ahead and open it up. So it comes with 10 packs. It's got the Jirachi card and 2 foil cards featuring Lucario and Deceive. Trash. Oh my gosh, it's like Christmas came early. That's just the box. Ooh, don't want anything to mess up. Oh no, everything's gonna fall. Get out of there, Pikachu. Ugh. Ugh. More trash. How much trash can I collect? Alright, so right off the back you got the Pikachu coin. That other coin. Ooh, so fancy. And then I hit you with the Lucario Hollow. Check that out. That's a nice card. And then we got the Jirachi right in the middle. Also a very nice card. And the Deceive. Or what, I can't pronounce his name correctly, but there you go, that's that. Alright, let's get into the card packs that we got. So we'll start from this left side. It'll be the right side for you guys. Got a Breakpoint. Steam and Siege. Regular base Sun and Moon pack. We got a Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. Another base Sun and Moon pack. And then there's 2 more Crimson Invasions on the other side. Another base set Sun and Moon. And we got a Fates Collide. And obviously we got 1 Evolutions pack. So we'll open the Evolutions last just to keep the viewers watching, hopefully. Or maybe they'll just skip to the end. You guys want to skip to the end, just watch that opening, go for it. But let's get into it. I'll start with the Sun and Moon first, the base set. And then I'll hit up that Crimson Invasion sets. And then we'll hit up the Breakpoint, Fates Collide, then Steam and Siege, and Evolutions we saved for last. Let's get into it. Alright, here goes nothing. Let's get into that Sun and Moon pack opening. So here we are, starting with the first pack. And go ahead in the comments, write what your favorite Thanksgiving dessert is or entree. And hit me up with what you're thankful for. Let's get into this. So we got a Fire Energy. Let's see if maybe the lighting's a little off here. The lighting is very bright in this area. Everyone can see what's going on. Hypno, Trumbreak, Rainbow Energy, Shelder, Zubat, Popplio, a Stuffle, Wingull, Reverse Hollow Crabominal. That's a cool one. And a Bruxish. So our first reverse hollow is a Crabominal. Next Sun and Moons pack. Let's keep this rolling. Maybe I could pick up the speed a little bit. I feel like some of my videos have been a little long lately. Obviously you saw that Zubat already. Bam. I'm gonna face this down a little bit. There we go. Water Energy. Bimuku. Great Ball. That is a Dartrix. Zubat. Torkoal. Rowlet. Drowsy. Cutiefly. A Dratini Reverse Hollow. And a Decidueye. I can't freaking say his name. But I already have this exact card. That comes with the pack itself. But I cannot say that name. That's awesome. Next one. This is still Sun and Moon base packs. Next is Crimson Invasion. Bam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flipperoo. Another Fire Energy. Crushing Hammer. A Georgia Bug. A Dragonair. A Cosmog. A Roggenrola. Sandygast. Caterpie. Skarmory. Reverse Hollow Toucanon. And a Primarina. Which is actually a rare card, but it's not a hollow, so that is unfortunate. Crimson Invasion packs. Let's get into it. You know what I don't like? Because these packs are ripping very easily. Usually I have trouble with it, so. And that card was facing the opposite direction. This is. I wonder if these were repacked. But another Fire Energy. As is a Lazamine, a Grumbig, a Mogla, Swablu, Shelmet, Stuffle, Kakina, Staryu, Reverse Hollow Camerupt, and a Camerupt regular. Disappointment. Saving the best packs for last though, so hopefully we get something out of them. Next one, here we go. Once again, Easy Tear. Feel like they're giving me no fight today. Bam, Fighting Energy. Fighting Memory. A Diggersby. Maliwow. Minccino, a Numo, a Swinub, another Swablu, another Shelmet, a Starmie Reverse Hollow, and an Octillery. So far nothing super good out of these packs. This is going on to my 6 pack here, again with the Crimson Invasion. Bam. Oh, I'm about to flip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, something good. Fighting Energy. A Lasimi. A Kakuna. An Ace. A Silger. Ghastly. A Corphish. A Around. Mankey. Swinub. A Dino. Reverse Hollow. And a Hydreigon. So that's cool, but also our reverse holo is the Dino, not the Hydreigon. XY breakpoint, let's go. Once again with an easy tear on this one. You guys already saw the Pharaoh Seed. Bam. Pharaoh Seed, we'll see you again. Bam. I definitely messed this up. Seismitoad. Trainer. Diligent. Nuzleaf. Pokemon Catcher. Pharaoh Seed, as we saw earlier. Froakie. Corsola. Drowsy. Petilli. A reverse holo Luxio is our card for that one. So far, though, nothing spectacular. Now we're going to get into XY Fates Collide. Personally, I like the Steam and Siege and Evolutions packs the best, so this one was a little bit difficult to open. Maybe this one wasn't tampered with. Kabam. Count them 4 back. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip that boy around. Oh, a Moltres. Oh my gosh. I think it's only supposed to be 3. I keep on messing up. Moltres. Shannon. A Pupitar. An Energy Reset. A Vol Baby. Larvitar. Seal. Railu. Jigglypuff. And a Gothita as our reverse holo. This is turning out to be a pretty crap pack opening so far. The best thing we got is the Jirachi GX. Steam and Siege time. Let's see what we can get. Hopefully we will pull through on these last 2 decks. One, 2, 3, 4, maybe? A Yan Mega. I just keep on messing up. A Fletchinder, a Skiploom, a Claw Fossil, an Oshawott, a Fletchling, a Larvesta, Meowth, Mantine, and a reverse holo Nidoking. I like the artwork on this one. That is something different. Where it looks like he's like crawling out of a cave almost. I like the look of it. Still not what I wanted. Here we go. What everyone's been waiting for, I'm sure, is the XY Evolutions pack. Can we pull the Charizard? Can we pull the Charizard? Now these Charizards are pretty rare still, but honestly they're losing their value because so many people are freaking getting them. Which makes it no fun to pull one, but I still want one because who wouldn't want a Charizard? But the value is not there. A Charmeleon, a Kakuna, a Coughing, Drowsy, Staryu, that's a Metal Energy, Growlithe, Ghastly, and a Machamp reverse holo, and a Trainer Misty's Determination. Oh my gosh, see, this is what everyone's been waiting for. This is exactly what we wanted. Full art Misty's Determination trainer card. That is crazy. Screw this Machamp, we'll put him down. Oh, check this freaking out. That's awesome. See, this is a really rare card to get too. My gosh, that is so cool. Wow, that is awesome. Alright, so we did end up pulling something amazing. Let's flip this around and get to the outro. That is awesome though. So here is what we ended up with today. Nothing of great value, but we did end up, obviously we got the Jirachi. That came right from the, put it in a nice case, that is super shiny. the Jirachi, then the Lucario came with it that you could already see. This guy that I can't pronounce his name. Got the Machamp, Nidoking, and that Misty's Determination Trainer full art with the golden around it. Check that freaking out. Everybody who actually made it to the end of the video got to see an actual good card pull from me for once. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your Thanksgiving. I hope to see you next time. Like, subscribe, share if you could, if you really want to. If you have anyone that wants to watch it, please. More views, more likes. It's all the best for me. And it helps support the channel so I can put out more content, you know? Misty's Trainer. That's a great card to get in my collection. I hope to see you next time.